This is the last questions of question number 1, which is Roman number 6. Roman number 6, here we are given with the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus x minus 4. We are going to be finding out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the roots and the coefficient of this polynomial. Okay, let's find out. In order to find out, we will going to need the splitting the middle term. First, write the coefficient of x square and write the constant term here. After multiplying these two, we get minus 12. Here is minus, so I write minus here, and subtracting two numbers must get the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is minus 1 and product write minus 12 here. How will you solve it? Take the prime factorization of 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. So 4, 2 2 are 4. 4 minus 3 get 1. So here is minus, so I write minus 4 plus 3. After subtracting these two, we get minus 1, and by multiplying minus 4 and the 3, we get minus 12. So these two conditions satisfies. So we are going to split this one, 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. In these two terms, x is common here, so I take out x is common here, thrice x minus 4. And in these two terms, 1 is common, so I take out 1 is common, thrice x minus 4. In these two terms, thrice x minus 4 is common, so I take out thrice x minus 4, and we are left with x plus 1. This value of 3x square minus x minus 4 is 0 when thrice x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is when x is equal to, after transporting this, we get x is equal to 4 by 3, or x is equal to, after transporting this, we get minus 1. Therefore, zeros of 3x square minus x minus 4 are 4 by 3 and minus 1. Here we find out the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Now let's verify the relationship between the roots and coefficient. Sum of zeros is equal to 4 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Taking LCM, we get 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. Leave a blank here and write minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of here, coefficient of x is minus 1, so I write minus 1 here and put minus for the formula. Coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x square is 3, so I write 3 here, minus minus plus, we get 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So the sum of zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Now let's verify the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1, which gives minus 4 by 3. Leave a blank here and write the constant term divided by coefficient of x square. What is our constant term? Our constant term is minus 4, so I write minus 4 here. What is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 3. So minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Therefore, the product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Here it finishes.